Find or read reviews that people are talking of GMAIPOP Full HD 1080p car dash camera. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose GMAIPOP Dashcam front and rear. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The GMAIPOP Dashcam with SD card records with a 1920x 1080p at 30 fps Full HD resolution video. The Dashcam's 6-layer glass front lens capture every road conditions and license plates details clearly in daytime and night. Using 3.0-inch IPS display with 170 degrees wide angle and HDR technology to record the trip images. Powerful car camera for cars, trucks, and SUV, providing the most important evidence for car accidents. The car dash camera has a huge front 170-degree viewing angle and the IP67 waterproof rear lens has a 100-degree viewing angle. Dual lens recording at the same time making the blind spot as small as possible. When parking, the rear camera automatically provides real-time back view, making parking safer. The car dash cam with 32 GB C10 high-speed TF card inside already, you will not have the hassle of selecting a suitable memory card. Seamless loop recording will overwrite the oldest footage with the newest one when the TF card is going to be full. When a collision occurs, the gravity sensing will emergency lock and protect the current video file to prevent overwriting by loop recording. Saving important evidences to help you away from disputes. This dash cam for cars has an f1.8 aperture lens and HDR technology that make video recording at night clearer and brighter. And automatically adjusts the light to prevent overexposure when surrounding is too bright. The enhanced night vision function capture the videos in night more clearly, even in dark. This car dash cam features motion detection and a parking monitor mode to record your car's surroundings at all times. A detailed instruction manual makes the usage very easy. The 360-degree rotatable suction cup bracket can be fixed on the shield window in several seconds. The dash cam will auto on/off when the car engine is on/off. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.